Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Cooking torch. Classic. Safe sturdy creme brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use, with 3 butane adapters included. It's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Kitchen strainer. Set of 3 versatile colanders. Upgrade your kitchen with this 3-piece stainless steel colander set, designed for maximum convenience and versatility. With 1.5, 3, and 5 quart capacities, you can choose the perfect size for any task, from rinsing fruits and vegetables, draining pasta, straining rice, or washing seafood. Stand mixer. Compact, designed in more color options. The stand mixer is less than 7 pounds with dimension 12.9 by 7 by 10.2 in, small and easy to storage, which could help space saving. Perfectly suitable for small kitchen, apartment, or limited storage space. And multiple colors to choose. Meet a variety of aesthetic needs for your kitchen. 3.2 QT capacity and tilt head design. Our little kitchen mixer equipped with 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl. Suitable for new baker, 1-2 members family or couples. Easy to operate and clean up. Tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. And transparent anti-splash lid could prevent the ingredient making a mess. Excellent gift and support. The electric mixer is also an excellent gift idea for your family and friends. We have confidence in the quality of our products and will provide after-sales guarantee for it. If you have any questions when received or during your using, please contact us at ease. Avocado slicer. Packaging includes you'll get 1 PCS 3-in-1 avocado tool, splits, pits, and slices avocados safely and effectively. Designed, the round hole design makes it easy to hang up to save your kitchen space. And this all-in-one tool splits, pits, and slices avocados. Easy to use. In just a few minutes of cutting and pitting, an avocado salad can be prepared in no time. Stainless steel pitter removes pit with a simple twist. Any size of avocado cores can be removed easily. Plastic blade easily cuts through the avocado skin without being sharp to touch. Dishwasher safety, BPA-free, FDA silicone material, food-grade silicone handle, tasteless, durable, and heat-resistant for everyday use, and easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Multi-purpose use, not only used for avocado, but also used for kiwi fruit. It's good for mashing avocado and banana. Good for making guacamole. Enjoy all your delicious fruit with your family. Countertop blender. Professional power. 1,000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source, corded electric, amperage, 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. What's included? 1,000-watt motor-based professional blender, 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. Electric pot. Dual power electric cooker. This multifunctional hot pot has a dual power adjustable design. It can help you easy to fry and replace various traditional stove kitchenware. Use low power mode, 300W, for cooking ramen, scrambled eggs, and pancakes, and high power mode, 600W, for spaghetti, steak, salmon, hot pot, and sauté. It is a must-have for any kitchen. 1.5L cooking capacity with steamer. The 1.5L capacity of our electric pot makes it the perfect size for individuals or small families. The hot pot features a steamer, allow you to steam above while cooking below. Its compact size allows for easy storage and makes it ideal for use in small kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, or vans. Non-stick coating. The Hytric ramen cooker has a food-grade non-stick coating, providing effortless release and easy cleaning. Sauté your food smoothly to prevent sticking and cook with less oil for healthier meals. After cooking, cleaning is a breeze with water and a rag. Microwave food cover. High quality, this microwave cover for food made of PP plus TPR thermoplastic rubber material, combined with hard rubber material, safe BPA-free durable cover, suitable for microwave ovens and dishwashers. Easy to store. A foldable lid can pop up to 3 to cover tall dishes, piles of food, and shallow bowls. The lid can also be folded up to 0.75. The microwave splatter cover fully foldable when not in use for maximum flexibility, and newly designed hook holes for easy storage without taking up space, save you more space. Ventilation holes. Collapsible microwave food cover with holes allows the steam to escape quickly, which is a safer and more economical. Very convenient. With microwave splatter guard, you can ensure that your microwave oven stays clean, as the cover prevents your appliance from soiling food or even splashing or spilling. It can also be used as a plate serving cover. Mixing bowls. Versatile kitchen gadgets. The mixing bowls with lid set and colander is perfect for washing vegetables, draining food, making salads, creams, biscuits, cakes, kneading dough, curing meat, and storing. The kitchen essential appliances are ideal for Christmas gift for women, a new home, Easter, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, or any occasion. Durable material, easy to clean. Each mixing bowl is made of high-quality stainless steel, designed to resist dents and rust, yet they still remain lightweight and easy to handle. The mirrored interior makes cleaning a breeze. The mixing bowl and colander is also dishwasher safe, but the lid is not dishwasher safe. The lids are suitable for hand washing, as the heat of the dishwasher can warp them. Air fryer. Dual air fryer with 2 baskets. Cook food faster and more conveniently with 2 powerful air fryers in one with a combined 6-quart large air fryer capacity. Versatile cooking options. Dual zone air fryer technology gives you the flexibility to cook different dishes simultaneously or to switch from one basket to the other easily. Food finishes together. Convenient sink finish allows individual 3-quart large capacity air fryer double baskets to finish cooking simultaneously. Wide temperature range. Use digital air fryer temperature settings from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to cook food at low or high heat, just how you want it. Easy cleanup. The removable non-stick air fryer baskets are top-rack dishwasher safe and easy to clean after every use. Pan set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating. Our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA. It ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Durable construction quality service made of high-quality aluminum. Both the pot itself and the removable handle have been rigorously tested to ensure durability and stability over long periods of use. When you buy our brand, you will get reliable products and attentive after-sales service.